So this is buffalo yogurt with honey on top. So trying it for the first time. Yeah, it's like thick yogurt. Yeah, we've landed. We're in Sri Lanka.
This is coconut sambal, and this is the chili one made with onion and chilies, just onion and chilies.
Okay.
Right, and this is roti made out of flour and water. So then this is grated coconut mixed with honey. Now you ate that curd, the buffalo milk curd, and they put
the honey on top. Yeah.
So this is with grated that, and this are made with grated coconut and honey mixed through it. Yeah. So this is we call this halapa. So Laureus. So they're very tasty. These are sweets. These are sweets.
Sweet and savory?
These savory. These are sweet.
Nice.
So this is mushrooms. Mushroom curry.
What does it taste like?
So the crepe, it's nice. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
And then it allows the coconut to really like show off in your mouth. That's really good. Now you usually don't like coconut, but this is nice. Oh, I'm doing it the other way. Oh, is this rice? So this is rice?
Yeah. Honey and coconut.
That's really good.
So we're on the Kano now, just crossing the lake. To start our cooking class now.
This is a leaf called rampe. But you all call it panda.
Oh, I don't know.
Yes. Panda leaf.
Okay. I've actually never heard of it. So these are turmeric plants. I'm sure most of us have used turmeric. This is how they're grown.
Like this?
Yeah. Showing us how to husk a coconut.
Yay!
This is what they make here. It's made. This is the rope. We made from.
Nice. So rope is made from from this.
From this, yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, all this is good, and this is how they make the rope.
Nice. So using every little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Yay!
Yay!
That's nice. It's fresh. Should I didn't do this one?
on the side. This is a fruit called umbrella.
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 Okay.
This is long Dambulla neda meka. Dambulla is also bean, variety of bean. These are beans.
And then the lady's fingers.
The lady's fingers that you cooked.
Yes.
And then the sambal. Then a papadang. And a piece of fried fish.
Okay.
Right? Then you just take a little bit of everything.
And eat.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So what's the idea to get the rice out of the...
Yeah, so if you look, don't pound my fingers. Right? If you look at this, see, it's now coming off here. This husk is coming off here. And this is husk,
Yeah.
right? See, now this is all rice. You can eat this rice. You can eat this rice, and you can also pound it. How you make flour out of it?
Oh yeah, yes,
Rice
of
flour.
course.
Yeah, so we'll do that too. This is it, freshly pound rice.
Yeah, that's skill. Nice. Which is made out of lentils, some chili, jackfruit. What was the last one?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. So this tastes not quite like akara, Nigerian akara, but kind of the outer coating kind of reminds me of it, the crunchiness you get with akara. And brought some ginger tea. Oh yeah, there's some pieces of ginger in there as well. See how it tastes.
I was testing you. I was testing you whether you were learning.
Okay. I thought I did not pass the test. I did not pass the test. I was too excited. I was too excited.
There you go. Now you passed it. Yes.
Nice. So I passed the test by narrow now.
I poured most of the tea into this.
It's really nice. The
Oh, that's good tea. Oh yes. Oh, that's good tea. So we are at a local distribution center in Sri Lanka. So this is where all the wholesale business is done to distribute fruits, vegetables across the entire Sri Lanka.
Yeah. So then you take this part and you eat it and throw the seed off.
Okay.
Take that full thing. Yep.
And eat the whole thing?
Yeah, like this.
Take off the white? That's sweet. It's like almost like a mango, but with like a banana-y texture.
So it looks like my battery is about to die. I'll wrap it up. That's the wholesale market in Sri Lanka. All my Pilates. Okay. Yeah. I'm already sweating.
Come on, increase the speed, brother.
This is hard work.
You said you were putting him to work. Going down the road.